Hi folks, I'm sitting here on my tailgate at um, Warriors Path State Park. It's in Tennessee. I'm fixing my dinner. Somebody commented they'd like to see what I eat. This is fallen off a log simple. Steak fajitas. It's beef. It's already seasoned. It's already cooked. You need a tortilla to go with it. I like these little zero net carbs. Lavender, whatever, however you say that. That's my favorite brand. I got a little salt, because everything needs salt. And I got some hot sauce. And I'm at an electric site, because it's going to get cool tonight. And I'm going to run my electric blanket. But with this little skillet here, this really is my primary cooking system. I've got this right here, this oven, and I just absolutely love the oven. But if I'm just going to fry something up, this little skillet here works just fine. Now I could have roasted those more. They're already cooked, so I just want to get them hot. But this is about as simple a meal as you can get. And, if you want to get the cheese, get some shredded cheese. My daughter would say, no, don't get shredded cheese because it's got all sorts of bad stuff in it. But so shred it yourself. But I'll get shredded cheese because I don't want to carry a shredder in my truck. You could fry some onions in there and some green peppers, and you could really doll this up good as a proper fajita. But I don't feel like doing any of that tonight. So I'm just gonna heat that meat up. I've warmed my tortillas, and I'm kind of limited on what I can do here with one hand, because I gotta put salt on these. I gotta salt it. If I don't salt it, I can't taste it. And I get checked about every 6 months, and my salt levels are just fine, thank you. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this here hot sauce, but I don't have any proper Mexican hot sauce, but this will jazz it up a little bit. And I suppose I should turn off my skillet. I'll get me some of these here little bits of beef loveliness. And you'll just have to imagine the rest. For sitting on the back of his tailgate, that's mighty fine eating. Yeah, that's good.